Hello and welcome to this smart multi-switch editor tutorial. In today's video, you will learn how to customize the designs of your switch so it matches yours and your client's needs. Once you access the editor, you start with a switch that you can modify. Starting from the upper left corner, here you can modify the name of your design. On the right side, you see the Risco editor, where you can create your custom design. Starting from the first step, background, you can find a variety of options for the background of the switch. You can choose one of the preset colors or pick one from the limitless selection. In case you would like to personalize the switch a bit further, you can upload photographs of all kinds that can become the background of your switch. All you have to do is click on Image, then click on the Upload Photos and find the image file on your computer. For further ease, we have prepared a set of pictures in various categories that can be used as the background. Once you have selected the ideal image, you can move to the second section, Buttons. Firstly, you will be asked to decide on the layout of the switch. Once you select Change Layout, that opens the options. You can decide whether you need a horizontal or vertical switch. Afterwards, you can pick the number of buttons. The number can vary between 1 and 7. When you make your choices, click on Continue. Next, you can decide whether you need labels for your buttons. In case you would like to add labels, enable the Add Label option. Then click on the button you want to name and write in the text box. Repeat the procedure for the other buttons. For this switch, let's say we would like to have the buttons Heating, Door, Lighting, Music, TV, and Blinds. In the Select Icons section, you can choose visualizations for the buttons. You can view the options separated by topic or simply use the search to write what icon you are looking for. To find a visualization for heating, we can go to the Heating and Cooling section and find the option you like. For Door, we can write it down in the search, select the magnifying glass to the left, and find relevant icons. Afterwards, repeat the process for all of the buttons. In the last section, Logo, you can choose to have no logo or add your personalized logo from the upload photo and change the size of the logo. This makes your personalized design complete and ready. It is best to use an image with a transparent background. As the last step, you need to download your design so you can have the two files ready for use. With that, the editor tutorial comes to an end. Now you can create exceptional customized designs for smart switches with ease.